this video, girl, I got a new wig to share with you, and this is the company that it's from. It's called lovemehair.com. I'm pretty sure you've heard of them. I learned of them right here on YouTube, seeing some of their YouTube ads as well as Instagram ads, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get right into the unit, girl. This is actually my second unit from the brand, okay? And I actually really do enjoy their wigs. Their hair is always super nice, okay? So this is what I see as soon as I open the package. We're gonna go ahead and start with this little satin bag. Let's see what type of goodies we have. Now the packaging is totally A1. I love it when my packages come with all the thrills and feels, all the pomp and circumstances, okay? When we spend our money, we want our things to come to us packaged with care, okay? And it helps that it looks a little luxe too, okay? Now inside here we have some press-on nails. Looks like these were Christmas themed. Nonetheless, that is cute. I love the gesture. Ooh. We got some lashes, girl. We got a 2-pack. And these are really pretty. These are those cheap plastic wiry lashes. These are actually, girl, wearable. These are cute. Yes, so pretty. Packaging is purple to correspond with the wig box. Love that. Coordinate. You gotta coordinate, okay? What else we got in here? We got a satin scrunchie. Some cute blingy bling earrings. Alright. I love all of the gifts, okay? When we spend our coin, we love getting a gift. We love free add-ons. Super cute. A blingy hoops. Yeah, really nice, right? So all of this came with my order. There's one more thing in here. What is this? Okay, so this is one of those like pop socket things that you put on the back of your phone case or directly to the back of your phone, honey, if you're daring like that. Stick it on there, girl. Stick it on there. I'll put this on the back of a phone case. Super cute. So you can prop your phone up when you're watching me on YouTube, girl. Watching them Love Me hair reviews. Super cute. It just sticks on the back. Like so. It's cute. Cute. Alright. Let's go ahead and get into the unit. Alright, so let me make sure. Alright, we got a special message in here from Helena, the owner and founder. Enjoy your hair journey from now on, okay? And a comb. I love a good comb. We'll leave that to the side. We'll probably use that, okay? So that is everything that came in the box. Oh, let's get into the hair. Ooh, I got a curly unit, girl. I'm looking for fast, easy hair, and this is going to give me that luxury. She is so pretty. Ooh, look at that. Look at those curls, y'all. I am already in love with the curls, and this just feels so soft. So soft. Look at it. Okay, so this is a lace closure wig. Anybody that knows me knows that I prefer a lace closure wig. They're just easier to deal with. I don't have to deal with the sides not being stuck down and all that kind of jazz, you know. I had much rather have a closure wig. I'm just looking for a pair of scissors because, girl, I'm ready to get this baby tried on. Comes with the elastic band inside already, which is nice, okay? That's going to keep our wig secured. And we also have elastic straps in the back to make sure that it's extra secured, okay? That way we don't have to use glues or thick sticky gels if we don't want to. I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lace in the back. Then I'm going to put it on to determine how much lace I want to cut off the front. And see if I even want baby heels. Sometimes I want baby heels. Sometimes I don't. But I'm just cutting this lace off the back. And that's pretty cool that they give you some lace in the back. I guess should you want to stick it down all around. I just don't fancy sticking down my wigs because I just like to take my wigs off at the end of the day, honey. I want to fully relax and not messing up my wig my curls when I'm asleep. Alright, I'm going to give you a closer look at the cap construction. Okay, this is how it looks. Alright. Closure unit. Alright. Very nice. Very, very nice. Standardly nice, okay? Standard unit. Very nice. But these curls are absolutely everything. It's so gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and try it on. Since there's not much lace, I feel comfortable in cutting this while on my head. Okay, that was comfortable. Not real tight. I didn't get an instant squeezing feel. But it's just snug enough, you know, to keep the unit in place. Okay, okay. It is definitely cute. The curls are just life. So, so cute. Okay. Loving this. I just might do a few baby hairs. Maybe a few. But curly units are just usually bomb right out the pack. Put a little mousse or setting lotion in it to tame your curls. And girl, I don't want to do too much. I normally like to just finger comb. But she is cute. I want to give it a little shaping just to cut it kind of like more even, to give it more of a bob-like look. But this is cute. Very cute. I like to comb it back. Let's see what the hairline in the front is kind of looking like. Got it pre-plucked, okay. That's nice, but I'm going to go over that with my makeup. I'm trying to see if I want a few baby hairs or not. If I do, won't be very much. Yeah, this unit is very nice, very nice. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and now cut the lace and cut these little hairs along the front here. And I'm just going across the lace with my, it kind of distracts me a bit when I can't really get a good idea of what we're working with when the lace is so, you know, it's kind of light. It is on the lighter side. But girl, that ain't stopping nothing. That ain't stopping nothing. This wig is bomb. Look at that. Bam. We in there. We in there. So now I'm going to go ahead and just cut the lace. Alright? And I'll be back with her styled. But you already see, girl, this one is laying. It is perfect. The lace is pre-plucked. We don't need a baby hair. We're ready to go. I'll be back, guys. I am back with her styled to my liking. Yeah, the wig is very nice, very beautiful. The curls are just so soft and so easy to work with. I absolutely love this unit. Let me show you the back. Now, the direct link and all the length information will be down below in the description box. So don't skip over it. Girl, Love Me Hair is definitely loving me right now. I am loving this hair and this hair is loving me. I am loving the way it looks. It is so cute. Love it. So be sure to check out Love Me Hair, girl. Curly units are just so easy to work with. You don't have to do anything to them or run some product through it. I just use some setting lotion and water and a little gel on the front to kind of sleek it and make it my own in the front with a few baby hairs. Okay, I know I was up in the air about the whole baby hair thing, but I just feel like baby hairs and curls just go together. This just looks super cute. So cute. OMG, these curls are everything. Yes, girl, get into it. Get into these curls. Yes, luscious, luxurious curls. But girl, that is it for me. Thank you so much for taking the time to enjoy this video with me today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. And there will definitely be another video. Bye. And be sure to check out Love Me Hair. All the information will be down below in the description box, okay? Yes, it is too cute. As well as a coupon code. I do have a coupon code to save you some coin, girl. We all like to save a little of this. We like to look fly and save money, okay? So yes, make sure you use my coupon code when you shop lovemehair.com. Bye.